Here's how you get to these two resources for this week's small groups. So if your group is supposed to do the LevelUp tutorial, you go to your TPS 501 bookmarks, yellow dot down at the bottom that says HMH Collections, and then it should be down under your assignments. But if you have the Wordsharp vocabulary diagnostic for your group, then you're going to have to do a little more digging. You need to go to the yellow button that says Student Resources that has the play sign in one corner and the camera in the other. Click on that. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Make sure you're scrolling down to the bottom, and it will be the third option up from the bottom. Hit the blue link for view tutorials, and then diagnostic pretest will be the one in the left hand corner. It'll open in a new window, so if you keep clicking and nothing's coming up, it's because it's opening in a separate window. Type in your name, hit continue, and take the test.